For those of us here in the inland northwest, air quality is something that typically becomes a conversation as we're in the heat of the summer dealing with wildfire smoke. But we actually have air quality concerns where we are right now here in late January. So let's talk a little bit about why. Air stagnation advisories right now are in effect throughout a good chunk of the region, including the full northern part of the inland northwest, down into parts of Spokane, into Coeur d'Alene, and even into the LC Clearwater Valley areas onto the Camas Prairie. We are under an air stagnation advisory. The reason why: we've had a persistent ridge of high pressure over the top of us. With those ridges, what we start to see overnight are very strong inversions where we get warmer air setting up above colder air at the surface, the opposite of what we typically see in the atmosphere. As that happens, we get those different pollutants from different things, especially in the city in areas like Spokane, and that warmer air traps those pollutants down at the surface where it's a little bit colder. Because of that, we start to see a buildup of the pollutants, and we do see some effects to our air quality. So let's take a look at the air quality monitor as of right now. Many of us in that yellow moderate air quality range. Meanwhile, as we look over toward areas like eastern Benewah County, we are actually seeing some unhealthy air quality as of right now. That is one of those areas those pollutants really like to sit down into. We've also seen unhealthy for sensitive groups at times into areas like Shoshone County. But it will be something we'll continue to monitor under this ridge of high pressure. We are expecting that air stagnation advisory to last all the way until Friday morning, and that's when our weather pattern is finally going to change, when we're finally going to get some wintry precipitation on the way. We'll have more updates for you on that coming up tonight on Nonstop Local at 11.